And a happy 6:30 morning to you. Dan Gnarly Chicken Garage. So continuing on with my TE maintenance, I'm changing out this little rubber spigot here. Pointing to it right now. There you go. From my oil tank. For two reasons. Number one, these are known after a while from heat, oil, cold, hot to crack, just break down. So I've got another one here in the shop. It's supposed to be a higher type, stronger rubber component to replace this stock one. So I got the oil draining. It's almost done here now. Got it on a stand. Got my brakes covered up. Took the oil pump right off and just letting it drain through there completely. And yeah, got a fire on in the shop. I guess it's 7 o'clock. That's early enough. This is the rubber piece here that I'm replacing it with. It's supposed to be a better, stronger, like I said, rubber compound. And it comes with a new worm gear and a stronger clamp down here too. That's way better than the stock one, so that's good. So I'm gonna cut the other clamp off when this gets done and put that on. I took the actual pump off as well and gave that a little clean. This is all good. Cleaned off the screw, of course. Got my motor sitting there still. Still waiting for some parts. Should have some more in today. And continue on with the bike. Probably get some brakes done today, maybe. In the meantime, we've got a TE 150 TPI. We've had this here a few times in the shop. A good friend of ours. And I'm gonna take the starter off this today. I'm gonna put a new starter gear on it from the other side, or from in here, I should say, and inspect the starter on this as well and have a look at it and clean it out, reinstall it. That's what we think the problem is the starter gear. On this guy, we're also doing the full set of bearings, putting a moose in, a few other things, just a winter service. And here we go, right here. There's the new worm gear, right from KTM. Twin gear. Yep, can't really see it in there, but it's that's the little gear that spins the Bendix gear. So, how much was this guy? Anyway, he's covered up. That's the plan so far for today. So, thanks for watching. Continue on. That's almost done. It's just dripping there now, which is good. And I'll go out starting to cut that worm gear off the other side and putting on the new one, reinstalling that. I should maybe think about taking that whole oil tank right off now that I've got it this far. Just taking the plate off, disconnecting the sensors, dropping that sensor plate down, and maybe dropping the whole oil tank right out and inspecting it. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna do that. Inspect it for cracks, leaks. Some have leaked. They're known to, because of vibration, I suppose, crack up and around where they connect. So yeah, I'm gonna do that while I've got everything off.